Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super handy tutorial, how to access Clipboard on Android in 2025. If you've ever copied something important and then couldn't find it, this guide is for you. With Android's latest updates, accessing your Clipboard is faster and more secure than ever. Let's jump right in. First off, why bother with the Clipboard? It's your device's memory for copied text, images, or links, and in 2025, Android has made it even easier with enhanced privacy features like auto-clearing sensitive data. To get started, make sure your Android device is updated to the latest version. We're talking Android 16 or higher for these steps. Step 1. Open your Settings app. You can find it on your home screen or by swiping down from the top and tapping the gear icon. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and tap on System or Advanced Features, depending on your device manufacturer like Samsung or Google Pixel. Step 2. Look for Clipboard or Clipboard History in the menu. In 2025, most devices have a dedicated section here. Tap on it and you'll see options to view your recent copies. If it's not enabled, toggle the switch to turn on Clipboard History. This stores your last few items for easy access. Step 3. For quicker access, use your keyboard app. Open any app where you can type, like Messages or Notes, and long press the text field. A clipboard icon should pop up, showing your copied items. Just tap what you need, and bam, it's pasted. If you're on a device with Google Assistant integration, say, "Hey Google, show my clipboard," for voice-activated access. Remember, for privacy, Android now prompts you to confirm before viewing sensitive content. And there you have it. Accessing your Clipboard on Android in 2025 is straightforward and saves you time. If you have a custom ROM or older device, these steps might vary slightly, so check your manufacturer's support page. Give this video a thumbs up if it helped, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.